Today I present you this amazing and juicy rack of lamb.
So here we have a rack of lamb. First, let's season with 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of SHAOXING wine, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Now in your pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Sear the lamb until it has a beautiful brown color for about 2 minutes on each side. Now we can cover the bone with aluminum foil to prevent over-browning. Transfer the entire roasting pan in preheated oven. The temperature is about 420 degrees Fahrenheit or 215 degrees Celsius, and roast for 10 minutes. Now let's make the crust. We have 1 cup of breadcrumbs and a handful of cilantro here. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt and a little bit of oil. We mix everything in a food processor, and in my case, it's a juicer. Now we're going to take out the lamb and brush about 2 tablespoons of DIJON mustard on one side. Then we're going to put the DIJON mustard side on the breadcrumbs. And we're going to brush another 2 tablespoons of DIJON mustard on the rest of the lamb and put the breadcrumbs on the lamb. And transfer the lamb back to the roasting pan. We're going to roast for another 10 minutes for medium rare, or until the thermometer inserted into the center of the meat and it reaches 125 degrees. Add a few more minutes if you like your meat to be medium, and the thermometer should read about 135 degrees. And for well done, it's about 145 degrees Fahrenheit.
My husband and I, we love the show MasterChef. So the other day we were just watching, and then Chef Gordon Ramsay made this amazing looking rack of lamb. So then I decided to share this recipe with you as well, but I added in my Chinese twist in it. And it turned out to be really juicy, tender, and really delicious. But talking about lamb, I have an interesting story to share. I know that a lot of you, when you eat lamb, you like it medium rare because people say it's the best temperature to eat it. But for me, I actually eat it medium well. I remember last year I went to Paris, and then my husband and I ordered medium well lamb. And then the waiter was like, "Excuse me, are you sure?" And then I was like, "I'm pretty sure," because I really can't see pink. But luckily at that time I was pregnant, so that I have a good excuse. But even normally, I just don't eat anything pink. That's just me. So if you have any interesting story to share about food, comment below, and remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you next week. Bye!